Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Got the fan blasting today. I am without a mic. I lost it a few videos ago. I dropped the receiver part down in a bucket of black oil with no lid on it, so it's lost forever. But me and my wife are back out here working on this camper. We're going to cut out our insulation. We got it up, gonna mark it all so we know where it goes. Then we're gonna put the interior walls on with no insulation in the way. Put the insulation up, and I have my metal sheeting for the exterior walls, and we're gonna try to do some of that today also. So y'all stick around and watch the progress. In case you couldn't hear me, I said we're going to try to get all the insulation cut, ready to put in. What we've done is numbered and labeled each piece as we cut it, so when we put it back in, it won't be a bunch of guesswork. Made it a lot easier. Also, and I guess I just didn't hit record, but we start cutting the interior pieces and putting them in. I guess I was just very optimistic, is that the way you say it? That we could do this with little to no fasteners as far as screws or anything, and it would look real clean and not have screws all in it, right? So I had asked around for recommendations on different glues or silicones or whatever you call it. And what I was recommended was a Gorilla Glue adhesive type stuff. And my goal was to put the sealant in and stick it up there, even if we had to leave it overnight, so it would have time to cure and we could have the sealant in without screws all in it, right? And without trim. I was wanting to, make it to where it was just a good, clean look. But that didn't happen. And I don't know, like I said, I don't know what happened with the recording part of it. I guess I just didn't hit record. Maybe, I just don't know. I'm just 100% honest. But anyway, we working our tails off out here in this heat, and like I said, the microphone is MIA. Don't have that, so we don't have any voice. We don't have anything for y'all to listen to us talking or jokes that we tell or nothing, because you can't hear it because of the daggum fan. So y'all can just watch us in super speed motion sit here and work and cut this out, and not get to see us start on the interior and fail miserably for hours and hours of wasted time. And I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate the ones that are subscribing, and y'all be good to each other. Guess I'll catch you on the flip side. God bless.